A PZA file is a digital photo album created with MGI PhotoSuite, a format that's been out of active use for quite some time. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you crack it open and recover the images inside. Note on preparation. Make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the PZA file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. A PZA file is a photo album file created by MGI PhotoSuite, a legacy photo editing and album creation application. It stores album layout data, image references, and project settings used by PhotoSuite to organize and display collections of digital photographs. PZA files follow MGI's proprietary album project format, storing references to image files along with layout coordinates, captions, and design elements. The file depends on linked external image files being present in their original locations to display album content correctly. The PZA file is widely endorsed for use with MGI PhotoSuite, discontinued, developed by MGI Software, acquired by Roxio. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows shows minimal information, so reading the index requires compatible analysis software. To open this tricky format, right-click your PZA file and choose Open With. If MGI PhotoSuite, discontinued, is installed, test it. If it's unavailable, choose another program. Don't worry if you need to try a few different ones. If your PZA file is not opening yet, that is normal. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent PZA file error. First, install MGI PhotoSuite. PZA files are natively opened by MGI PhotoSuite versions 4 through 8. Search for a compatible installer from legacy software archives or community repositories. Once installed, use File Open to load the PZA album file and access its stored photo layout and content. Next, check for Roxio compatibility. MGI Software was acquired by Roxio, and some PhotoSuite functionality was carried forward into Roxio's Creator Suite. Try opening the PZA file with an installed version of Roxio Creator or Easy Media Creator to determine if backward compatibility with the PZA format is supported. Finally, extract linked images manually. If the application is unavailable, use a file archiver like 7-zip to attempt extraction of the PZA file contents. While the album layout may not be preserved, underlying image files may be extractable. Alternatively, open the PZA as plain text to identify referenced image file paths. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.